How to log in to Flybuys account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. In order to log in into your Flybuys account, firstly, launch your preferred browser in your device. Search for Flybuys. Tap on the first option that is given to you. To sign in for your Flybuy account, it is pretty simple. Enter email address, Flybuy number, or username and also enter the password. Click on the Sign In button to log in into your Flybuy account. If you have not created an account, make sure to create one. Tap on Forgot My Password in the case of forgotten credential. In that case, you can just enter email address and use an alternative way to recover your account. It should be a quick and easy process to log in into a major Australian loyalty program, which allows you to earn points for everyday shopping. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out the Contact Us portal that is available at the bottom. Fill out the form type of layout, then describe your question or inquiry or your issue. Tap on Submit. Wait until the Flyby team to get back to you with a solution. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.